All right, picture this. You're scrolling through crypto charts, everything looks like it's either too expensive or completely dead, and you're wondering where's the next hidden gem? Where's that one coin that can turn a couple $100 into a serious bag before the next bull run? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving deep into 5 cheap altcoins that I believe have serious potential to explode. And because we love a good countdown, we're starting from number 5 and working our way all the way down to the number 1 pick that just might blow your mind. Stick with me because this list gets hotter the further down we go. Before we dive in, I want to make something super clear. This isn't financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just sharing what I see as exciting opportunities in the market, and you should always do your own research. Crypto is risky, it's volatile, and while the upside can be massive, the downside can also hit just as hard. So with that said, let's jump right into it. At number 5, we've got Kubitix, also known as TIX. Now this one's really interesting because it's aiming to revolutionize cross-border payments. Think about how painful it is to send money internationally. You've got long wait times, ridiculous fees, and so many middlemen it feels like you're playing telephone with your own cash. Kubitix wants to change that by making transfers faster, cheaper, and more transparent. And here's the kicker, it's still in pre-sale. Right now, tokens are sitting at just about 14 cents, and they've already managed to raise over $15.5 million. That's not small change. The team has built some serious momentum. Now imagine this. If Kubitix successfully launches, gains adoption, and climbs to $10, that's a 6,800% gain. Push it further to 15, and you're staring down a 10,000% return. Just let that sink in. A $100 investment turning into over $10,000. Sounds crazy, right? But remember, pre-sales are always risky. Projects can flop, regulations can hit, or the team might just not deliver. Still, the vision here is solid, and that's why it deserves the number 5 spot. It's risky, it's speculative, but the upside is too tempting to ignore. Moving on to number 4, let's talk about Dogs AI. Now this is where things get fun. It's a meme coin, but not just a meme coin, it's combining meme energy with artificial intelligence. That's like mixing rocket fuel with nitro. Dogs AI is all about AI-powered trading. Think bots, think automation, think next level. Wall Street trading analytics, but dressed up with meme culture, so it's both fun and functional. The token is dirt cheap right now, trading at around a fraction of a penny, roughly $0.0023, and the pre-sale has already raised close to $1 million. That's nearly 3/4 of their target goal, which shows strong demand. Here's why it's exciting. Meme coins live and die by community and hype, but Dogs has layered in real utility with its AI trading tools. That's a powerful combo. Imagine the Shiba Inu hype cycle, but this time with actual tech that people can use. If it catches fire on social media and delivers even half of what it promises, the gains could be ridiculous. Of course, the risk here is also high. AI is trendy, but trends fade if the product doesn't deliver. Still, in a bull run where memes explode, Dogs AI could be the perfect storm. Now let's slide into number 3, and here's where things start to get more serious. The pick is YPredict or YPred. This one isn't about memes or hype, it's all about data. The project is building a platform that gives traders predictive insights powered by artificial intelligence. We're talking sentiment analysis, chart pattern recognition, trading signals, all the things that can give an edge in a market that moves at lightning speed. What I like here is that this isn't just a dream. The project has already raised over $6.5 million in pre-sale. Tokens are selling for about 12 cents each, and 80 million of them have already been snapped up. That shows a lot of investor confidence. For traders, this makes sense. If you're serious about crypto, you're always looking for better tools to help you make decisions. YPredict aims to be that toolkit, and that's a strong use case. But let's be real, AI-powered anything is only as good as the data it's fed and the models it's built on. If the predictions flop, people won't stick around. But if it works and the early traction says it might, then this could carve out a real niche for itself in the trading world. In a bull run, when everyone is looking for that extra edge, YPredict could be positioned to shine bright. And that takes us to number 2, A much bigger name you may have already heard of, Arbitrum. Now, Arbitrum isn't a tiny presale token, it's already a heavyweight in the Ethereum ecosystem. The reason it's still cheap is because we're so early in the adoption curve. Arbitrum is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Translation, it makes Ethereum transactions faster, cheaper, and more efficient. If you've ever paid insane gas fees just to move a little ETH, you know exactly why Layer 2s matter. Right now, Arbitrum is trading at under $1, around 94 cents. For what it does, that's still a bargain. It already supports a massive amount of decentralized finance and NFT activity. Analysts have been saying for months that Layer 2s are the backbone of Ethereum's future. Ethereum simply can't scale on its own fast enough, and Arbitrum is leading the pack when it comes to solving that problem. Now, does it have competition? Absolutely. Optimism, ZK Sync, and other roll-up technologies are hot on its heels. But Arbitrum has the advantage of being first, of building a strong ecosystem, and of having real adoption right now. In a bull run, when activity on Ethereum skyrockets, Layer 2s like Arbitrum stand to benefit the most. If usage surges, the token price could easily 5 times or 10 times from here. It's less speculative than the other names on this list, but the upside is still massive. Finally, we arrive at number 1, and I've saved the wildest, most hype-driven project for last. It's called Little Peppy, or LILPEPE. Now, I know what you're thinking, great, another meme coin, but hold on, this isn't just a copycat Doge or Shiba. Little Pepe is building an entire Layer 2 blockchain that's tailored specifically for meme culture. Yeah, you heard that right, a blockchain just for memes. Here's what makes it fascinating. It's EVM compatible, meaning it can support Ethereum-based projects, but it's optimized for meme trading. We're talking low fees, bot resistance, and even a meme launchpad for new tokens. This is wild because it gives meme traders an actual playground that's built for them, with real technical infrastructure instead of just hype. And the numbers? They speak for themselves. The token is currently in pre-sale at just over 0.2 of a cent, $0.0021, and it's already raised over $23 million. That is massive for a pre-sale project. On top of that, it's gotten a 30K audit, it's listed on CoinMarketCap, and it has multiple exchange listings lined up. There's even a massive giveaway campaign worth hundreds of thousands of dollars to fuel community excitement. Analysts are already predicting insane multiples here. Some are whispering about 40 times, others even 250 times if things line up right. And honestly, with meme mania, anything is possible. So why does it take the number 1 spot? Simple. It blends the viral energy of meme coins with real blockchain utility. That's not something we've seen before. It's bold, it's crazy, and in a bull run where memes dominate headlines, Little Pepe could ride the wave harder than anyone else. Does that mean it's guaranteed? Of course not. But in terms of sheer hype potential and the possibility of explosive growth, nothing else on this list comes close. So there you have it, 5 cheap altcoins that could absolutely rip before the next bull run. At number 5, Kubetics, the payments disruptor. At 4, Dogs AI, the meme and AI mashup. At 3, YPredict, the AI toolkit for traders. At 2, Arbitrum, the scaling backbone of Ethereum. And at 1, Little Pepe, the meme coin with real infrastructure. Each one has its own story, its own risks, and its own type of potential. Maybe you're into infrastructure and like the safer plays, that's where Arbitrum shines. Maybe you're more of a hype chaser, Little Pepe could be your ticket. Or maybe you like the idea of combining AI with trading or payments, and YPredict or Kubetics catch your eye. Whichever way you lean, remember this. The bull run doesn't wait for anyone. When it starts, it moves fast, and the coins that seem dead cheap today can suddenly be out of reach tomorrow. The key is to research, stay alert, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you enjoyed this countdown, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wild world of crypto. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these 5 altcoins you think has the best chance of mooning. And if you've got your own hidden gem, share it. I'd love to hear what you're watching. Crypto is a game of high risk and high reward, but with the right picks, the upside can be life-changing. So stay curious, stay cautious, and get ready, because the next bull run might be closer than we think.